This small video will show you how to operate the new ECM1 controller on the Doyon oven. Basically a quick review about what the sign is. What does it mean? That sign means the heat is on. The red dot over that sign is mean that we have the meat probe unable or connected. That sign means that we have the overheating alarm. So usually this is that will lit when the cooling fan does not keep enough cool the electrical component. We have the fan, so it means the main blower inside of the oven if it's turning on or off. We have this auto steam pot symbol that will lit only when the auto steam will be enabled. The shut off steam or when water is injected to create steam inside of the oven. And finally will be solid that red dot when the temperature will be reached inside of the oven. So if I want to set the temperature inside of the oven, I have to keep pressed 3 seconds the temperature sign, and I will get access to 2 red dots that will show me the value that I can modify. So basically if I want to set it to 380, the factory set point is 350. So, and after only 3 seconds the new temperature will be immediately stored in the controller. So before to do anything, the temperature must be reached. So on my case it was 380, so I will just increase the temperature until I get 380, and at 380 I should hear 3 beep that will confirm me that the oven is ready to be operated. When it's done, I can select the time I want on my recipe. Again, I keep press 3 seconds, and by example it will be set at 3 minutes. If I want auto steam, I keep press the auto steam, so I got a red dot that will tell me exactly if it's available or not. Finally, if I want a delay on my recipe, by example if I want to bake muffin and for the first 5 minutes I don't want any fan on inside or during the baking process, I keep press on it and a red dot will tell me that I'm on delay or not. When it's done, the temperature has been reached. You keep press the start button. Then you will see the time decreasing. So when the time is decreasing, if you can figure out that you have to increase or reduce the time, I can keep press 3 seconds the time key, and I'm gonna be able to decrease the time or increase it according to what I want to the desired value. This is always the same thing. If I want to store, by example, I reduce from 1 minute, so after 3 seconds it will start to count down at the point where I set it. If I want to modify the temperature, this is the same thing too. I keep press 3 seconds and I reduce it, by example, at 350. Three seconds without doing anything. The controller will store the new temperature set point. The time is decreasing, and just for the training I would just reduce that time to explain you. Basically when the time will reach 0, the only thing you have to do is to press the red key to stop the recipe, and then when you will use it for the next recipe, just set the time, the auto steam, the fan delay, and all of this setting as the temperature to make sure to get what you want. So basically I will let 8 seconds of delay, and I would just prepare to press on the red key. I will hear the alarm. It means the baking process is done, ready. So the next step will be to start over everything. This is how to operate the ECM1 controller for Doyon oven. Thank you.